Okay, so for your warm up, we're on page 6. I had you do these 4 highlighted problems. Okay, so number 11. Number 11. Harper, what did you get? -3. Brady, describe to me what we need to do for this problem. Keep, change, change. So now we have, oh, you guys didn't tell me that it was frozen still. Here we go. Okay. So we kept the -4. We changed. So now we're adding 2 integers that have different signs. So subtract to get 3. 4 is bigger, so we kept the negative. Okay, good. Ariana, what did you get for 12? -10. Some of us may have been tempted to put 0 here. Okay. However, we're adding 2 integers that have the same sign. So we're going to add and keep the sign. Okay. Braxton, what'd you get for 15?
-10.
Ooh, -10 again? All right. Jada, can you explain how you got -10? All right, so we're adding, so we don't have to do anything to it. And she said, since they have the same sign, we can add the 4 and 6 and keep the sign. Okay, very good. Cordell, what'd you get for 16?
16.
Mm-hmm.
I got -2.
Okay, can you describe to me how you got -2?
No.
You can't describe to me how you got it?
No.
You just guessed?
Yeah.
Cordell. Let's think about it. Okay. Are we adding or subtracting? Subtracting. So since we're subtracting, we're going to do keep, change, change. -4, we keep, we change to addition, we change the 6 to the other sign. So now we have -4 plus 6. Okay. Do we have same or different sign for the addition problem? Different. Okay. We subtract. 6 minus 4 is the 2. Is the 2 positive or is it negative? It's positive because the 6 is bigger and it's positive. See, we don't have to guess. We can think through it. When did I tell you your quiz was? Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, our quiz is on Wednesday. All right. So let's take a moment. Okay, take these 4 and compare them at your table, please. So if it helps, let's write the K, C, C. So we keep the 10, we change the minus to plus, we take the 13, we take it. You gotta change it. So since we're subtracting, we're adding the opposite. So we're changing it to addition. So since we're changing it to addition, we gotta change this number to be. Oh, wait, no, it would be negative. Good, good. Right, so since it's subtraction, we're gonna keep change. So we keep the 4, we change this to addition, we change this to opposite. So it's gonna become 4 plus 8. Yeah. All right, Corin, what'd you get for 13? 12, we keep, change. Okay, 14 is also a subtraction. Okay, Bronson, what'd you get for 14? -4. When we keep change, we keep the 4, we change to plus, we change to -8. So we have 4 plus -8. We're adding two different signs, so we subtract the numbers and keep the bigger number, okay? Braylea, what'd you get for 17? -3. If we keep changing, we have 10 plus -13. So we're adding two numbers with different signs. We'll subtract and keep the bigger, okay? And then 18, Tyler, what'd you get? 23. If we keep change, we're adding 13 to 10. Okay. All right, good. Now, in your homework tonight, you're going to have a couple problems that have words. Oh my gosh, words. So take that pink sheet and flip it over to the back. And I want to, so on the back at the bottom, you see these three problems. Okay, so I want to look at number 22. The Saddleback Seahawks football team gained 37 yards in the first quarter. They lost 88 yards in the second quarter. They lost 105 yards in the third quarter. This football team is not very good. And they gained 12 yards in the final quarter. Did they have a net gain of loss during the game? How many yards? So basically, this is asking how many yards did they lose total? Okay. So if they gained 37 yards, is that a positive or a negative 37? It's a positive 37. Okay. Then they lost 88 yards. So what would we need to do, Jada? Am I going to add 88 or am I going to subtract 88? They lost, which means they went backwards. So they lost 88 yards. Okay. Then they lost another 105 yards. Cheaper. Okay. So we're going to go backwards again, 105. But then it says they gained 12 yards in the final quarter. Gained means we're going to do what operation? Add. Okay. So now we get to add these together. Okay. What two do you want to work with first? Okay, do you guys, so you're telling me you want to take the 37 and the plus 12? And what do we add those two to get?
49.
So we have 49 minus 88 minus 105. Okay. Ryan, what do you want to work with next?
105 plus 88.
Okay, now,
It's gonna be a negative. I think you add it's gonna be negative.
okay, so you're saying like 49, and we're going to keep, change, keep, change. That's kind of what you're telling me? So we did the keep, change here, and the change here. So that negative 88 and negative 105, since they have the same sign, we can add them together. Oh boy. What would that be? So we have 49 plus a negative 193. How did he get that? He took 105 and added 88 to it. 8 plus 5 is 13, carry the 1. So we have 9 and 1. Okay. Now I have 49 plus 193. All right. So now we have different signs. So we need to subtract 193 minus 49. Oh man, look at this awesome math we get to do. I have to borrow. 13 minus 9 is 4. I have 8 minus 4 is 4 and 1 minus nothing. So they lost 144 yards total. Oh, heavens. That was not a good game for them. Not even a little bit. All right. When you have a problem with words, the word lost is a word that we're going to use for subtraction. Okay, gained, that's a word we're going to use for addition. Okay, lost, we go backwards. Gain, we go positive. Okay. All right. So tomorrow is going to be your first graded assignment. So I would like to take today and just make sure that we can do subtraction and addition when they're mixed together. Okay. So we're going to do an activity here.